This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the MyTV app and signing in. This is where access begins. Enter your account email and password, then complete 2FA if prompted. This protects your profile. Once signed in, make sure your device is on a stable Wi-Fi or at least 4G connection because streaming quality depends on bandwidth. If you haven't created an account, tap Create Account, follow the on-screen steps to verify email, and set a secure password. Now move to Set Up Preferences. Now you configure preferences to shape your viewing experience. You should pick Language and Subtitle defaults and decide whether autoplay is enabled. Autoplay saves taps but uses more data. Once configured, browse the Home tabs. Live shows current channels. On Demand lists titles to watch anytime. Library holds downloads and saved shows, and Search finds specific content quickly. Create profiles for household members and set parental PINs. Finally, you play or download shows and manage playback. Tap Play to stream. If quality fluctuates, open the player settings and choose 480, 720, or 1080 to match your connection. To watch offline, tap Download, select Resolution, and wait until it hits 100% before going offline. If you run into issues, first clear the app cache and restart the app. This resolves most hiccups. If problems persist, check server status within Settings or contact support and mention device model and app version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.